Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change battery on Cadillac SRX Remote only way. Start by finding the seam and gently prying the case open with a coin, keeping parts aligned. Remove the old CR 2032 battery while noting the plus side orientation. Clean contacts if needed, insert the new battery the same way, and snap the case back together. Test the remote from several feet to confirm the button functions and range are restored. Gather the CR 2032 battery, a small coin or pry tool, and a soft cloth before starting to avoid interruptions. Work on a flat surface with good light so you can see the seam and battery orientation clearly. Keeping the cloth under the remote prevents scratches and catches tiny pieces. This setup makes the swap quick and prevents lost parts or accidental damage while you replace the battery and test the remote. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tips. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum blends chore-free floors with voice control so you can relax while it handles dust after a messy DIY session. It is clever, compact, and saves time so you can focus on repairs. Check the description for the link and deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start by inserting a coin into the seam and twisting gently to release the case clips without forcing them. Lift the cover, remove the old battery, and check that the plus side matches the diagram inside the case. Place the new CR 2032 in position, press firmly until it seats, and snap the housing closed. Finish by testing buttons from a few feet to confirm the remote is transmitting normally and smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.